In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin or unpin a Word file in Microsoft Word. Pinning a Word file is a simple way to keep your most frequently used documents easily accessible. When you pin a file, it stays at the top of your recent documents list, so you don't have to search for it every time you open Word. Unpinning a file removes it from this top spot, but it doesn't delete the document. It simply makes it behave like other recent files again. To pin a Word file, start by opening Microsoft Word and navigating to the home screen or the File menu. Click on Open to view your list of recent documents. In the list of files, locate the document you want to pin. Next to the document name, you will see a small pushpin icon. Click the pushpin once and it will turn solid, indicating that the file is now pinned. This file will now remain at the top of your recent files list every time you open Word, making it quick and easy to access. If you want to unpin a file, the process is just as easy. Go to the same recent documents list and find the pinned file. Click the solid pushpin icon again and it will return to its original outline or hollow state. This means the file is no longer pinned and will move down the list as you open other documents, just like any other recent file. Pinning and unpinning files is a great way to organize your workspace in Microsoft Word, especially if you work with multiple documents and need to quickly access certain files. You can pin several documents at once, allowing your most important projects to stay within reach. It's also useful when collaborating on files, so you can quickly open the documents you're currently working on without scrolling through long lists of recent files. Remember, pinning a file does not change where the file is saved or affect its contents. It simply provides a shortcut within Word for easy access. You can pin or unpin files at any time, and the changes will automatically update in your recent documents list. And that's how you pin or unpin a Word file in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.